Hey, Agapi. Hello, Agapi. Hi, Agapi. Hi, Agapi. Hello, excuse me. It's my ball.
No, this is my ball.
Oh,
I threw it earlier and I threw it too.
oh, I'm sorry because I have one similar in some place here.
Did you just put it?
No, but I have one, but yeah, this mine. I just bring it before here before.
I have the same ball and I've been looking for it for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, but I was here for more than 1 hour and played 2 balls here. I have this. If you find another one,
I have the same ball that's missing also, so I'll keep looking.
Sorry. Hi, Bo. Daisy, stay here, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Honey, honey. Oh, come another one. Honey, honey. Honey, honey. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Olive. I know Olive. I have your Olive.
Hi, how are
Yeah, I'm
you?
doing good. Thanks. I have your Olive in one piece.
Yes.
Did you check it out? The video.
Yes,
I give it.
You do a beautiful job doing everything.
Yes. Oops, sorry.
Oh, you're taking care of this guy?
Yeah, this guy.
I will get Hold on.
Hey, Olive.
That's not an easy day.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, yes. I made Oliver. He's the one that ended up taking it. We did puppy training.
Yeah, you like it, Olive. This is mom. One more time, Shunt. Go get it, Shunt. Go get it.
There you go. All right. How old is he? 5.5 months. Oh, so perfect. They need to get some exercise. Yeah, he just had a long nap.
And you. Hey, Agapi. Yes, look at Daisy and Olive play.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. You want me to get it yourself?
You don't want to play more no more? Okay. Hello, puppy.
Hi, Oliver.
How old is yours?
He's 9.
3 pups.
She likes it.